One of the most prestigious railway projects in the Northeast, which has its own significance in terms of many firsts, is Jiribam Tupul Imphal rail line. This 110.63 kilometer line is being constructed in Manipur. This project has been challenging for a variety of reasons, like access to the sites of tunneling, remoteness of the locations, difficult topography, design and technical challenges. This project is being constructed by Northeast Frontier Railway at an anticipated cost of 9,658 crore rupees. The target dates for commissioning of 4 phases of the project from Jiribam to Imphal has been fixed between 2017 and 2020. The total number of tunnels on this line will be 46, of which 37 are in Jiribam Tupul section and 9 in Tupul Imphal section. The total length of tunnels in this project will be 61.2 kilometers. Of the 37 tunnels in the 84-kilometer Jiribam Tupul section, 31 tunnels of 41.9 kilometer length have been completed till September 2016. The work on the rest is also progressing well. The 48 kilometers of track inside tunnels and their approach tracks have been planned with futuristic ballastless tracks. Like other railway projects taken up by the Indian Railways in other parts of the country, New Austrian Tunnelling Method (NATM) is the procedure being adopted for making the tunnels on this line also. The work on Leg 1 from Jiribam to Tupul is in progress at over 72 locations. Major resources deployed are rocket boomers, shotcrete machines, concrete pumps, hydraulic rotary rigs, excavators, crushing plants and batching plants, besides around 6,000 strong skilled manpower. The execution of work on maximum tunnels falling in Leg 1 of the project, which is from Jiribam to Tupul, has been completed so far. The construction of tunnels T6A, T6C, T7